morning sun rises over rows of colorful chili peppers. Red, green, yellow, and even purple fruits hang from sturdy plants. It's harvest time, and what you do in the next few hours could mean the difference between premium prices and wasted crops. Today, we're diving deep into the world of chili harvesting, sharing secrets that have taken farmers decades to learn. Stay until the end to discover how small changes in your harvesting technique can double your profits. Let's start with the most important part of chili farming, understanding your plants. Every chili variety has its own personality, just like people. Some like to be picked young and green, while others need time to develop their full flavor and heat. Getting to know these differences is the key to successful harvesting. First, let's talk about plant biology and how it affects harvest timing. Chili peppers are fascinating fruits that change not just their color, but their entire chemical makeup as they ripen. In the green stage, they're full of chlorophyll, the same stuff that makes leaves green. As they ripen, they develop capsaicin, the compound that makes them hot, along with vitamins and other valuable nutrients. For green chilies, timing is crucial. You want to harvest when the fruit is full-sized but still has a bright, glossy appearance. Professional farmers use a simple trick: gently squeeze the chili near the stem. If it feels firm and crisp, making a slight cracking sound when squeezed, it's perfect for picking. If it's soft or makes no sound, you've waited too long. Color changes tell an important story during ripening. Most chilies follow a pattern: green to yellow, then orange, and finally red. But here's something many farmers don't know: the heat level actually increases as the color changes. A fully ripe red chili can be up to twice as hot as its green version. This means you need to harvest according to your market's needs. Weather and time of day play huge roles in successful harvesting. The best time to pick is between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. on dry, sunny days. Why these specific hours? Early morning dew needs time to dry off the plants, and late afternoon brings the risk of overnight moisture on picked fruits. Wet chilies are more likely to develop mold or rot during storage. Temperature affects both the plants and the fruits during harvest. The ideal range is between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. In this range, plants are flexible and less likely to break, and fruits are at their peak firmness. Professional farmers often start on the east side of their fields in the morning and work their way west, following the sun's path to ensure plants are dry. Now let's talk about tools and equipment. Good harvesting starts with the right tools. You'll need sharp, clean pruning shears or scissors specifically designed for harvesting. Many farmers make the mistake of using whatever scissors they have lying around. But dull or dirty tools can damage plants and spread diseases. Hand protection is crucial, especially with hot varieties. The oils from chili peppers can burn your skin and cause serious discomfort. Experienced farmers use 2 pairs of gloves, thin latex or nitrile gloves for dexterity, covered by cloth gloves for puncture protection. This double-layer approach keeps your hands safe without sacrificing your ability to feel the fruits. Collection containers make a big difference in fruit quality. The best options are shallow, well-ventilated baskets or crates lined with soft material. Deep containers can crush chilies at the bottom, leading to bruising and faster spoilage. Some farmers use canvas bags hung from their shoulders, leaving both hands free for picking. The actual picking technique requires care and attention. Always cut the stem about 1/4 inch above the fruit. don't pull or twist the chilies off the plant. This can damage both the fruit and the plant. A clean cut with sharp scissors leaves a small stem attached to the chili and a clean wound on the plant that heals quickly. Understanding plant stress during harvest is important. Every time you touch a chili plant, it responds by releasing stress hormones. Too much handling can actually reduce future yields. That's why professional farmers work in systematic rows and try to harvest each plant only once or twice a week. Disease prevention during harvest is crucial. Never harvest when plants are wet, as this can spread bacteria and fungi between plants. If you spot diseased plants, harvest them last and clean your tools afterward. Many farmers keep a spray bottle of diluted bleach solution to sanitize their tools between rows. The moment a chili is picked, it starts to lose moisture and freshness. What you do in the first few hours after harvest can make or break your entire crop. Let's dive into the professional techniques that keep chilies fresh and valuable. Field sorting is your first line of quality control. Professional farmers use a 3-grade system right in the field. Premium-grade chilies go into special containers padded with soft material. These are destined for fresh market sales where they'll command top dollar. Second-grade fruits have minor blemishes, but are still good for processing. Third grade includes damaged fruits that can be used for seed collection or composting. Temperature management starts the moment chilies are picked. Keep harvest containers in the shade and move full containers to a cooling area quickly. Many successful farmers use portable shade structures or park their trucks in the field to provide immediate shade for harvested fruits. The cooling process, called pre-cooling, is critical for maintaining quality. You want to bring the temperature of the chilies down gradually. Sudden temperature changes can cause condensation, which leads to spoilage. Professional cooling rooms start at around 75 degrees and slowly drop to 50 degrees over several hours. Cleaning and sorting operations need careful planning. Set up your work area with good lighting and comfortable working heights. Having the right setup can double your processing speed. Professional packing houses use conveyor belts, but small farmers can achieve similar efficiency with well-organized table arrangements. Most chilies don't need washing unless they're visibly dirty. If you must wash them, use clean water no more than 10 degrees cooler than the fruit temperature. Colder water can cause tiny cracks in the skin that lead to spoilage. After washing, dry thoroughly using fans. Never let them sit in standing water. Storage requirements vary by variety and intended use. For fresh market sales, most chilies keep best between 45 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit with 85 to 95% humidity. Professional farmers use specialized storage rooms, but you can achieve good results with a well-insulated room and a good humidity control system. Packaging for different markets requires different approaches. Fresh market chilies need ventilated containers that prevent bruising. Processing chilies can be packed more densely. Always label your containers with the harvest date, variety, and grade. This information helps you rotate stock and track quality over time. Transportation to market needs careful planning. Use vehicles with good suspension to minimize bruising. Many successful farmers install foam padding in their truck beds. For longer trips, some use small cooling units to maintain temperature during transport. Market timing can significantly affect your profits. Most wholesale buyers want deliveries early in the morning, around 5 to 6 a.m. This gives them time to process and display the chilies before their peak shopping hours. Some farmers arrange to deliver twice daily to ensure maximum freshness. Pricing strategies should account for all your harvesting and handling costs. Track your time and expenses carefully. Professional farmers know their cost per pound and adjust their prices seasonally. Don't forget to factor in fuel, labor, and packaging costs when setting your prices. Value-added opportunities can increase your profits substantially. Consider drying excess chilies or making hot sauce from second-grade fruits. Many successful farmers earn more from processed products than from fresh sales. Some even create their own special blends or seasoning mixes. Building relationships with buyers is crucial for long-term success. Consistent quality and reliable delivery schedules often matter more than having the lowest price. Many professional farmers maintain detailed records of their buyers' preferences and special requirements. Now you have the professional knowledge needed to harvest, handle, and market your chili crop successfully. Remember, attention to detail during harvest leads to better quality and higher profits. Next week, we'll show you advanced techniques for extending your growing season and managing multiple harvests throughout the year. Don't forget to subscribe and share your own chili farming experiences in the comments below.